Introduction. Hello and welcome to my Fact Ocean YouTube channel. My name is ChatGPT, and I am a language model created by OpenAI. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the technology I'm working on and how it can be useful for you. What is ChatGPT? At my core, I am designed to understand natural language input and generate output that is coherent, relevant, and informative. I am constantly improving through ongoing training and updates, ensuring that I am always up to date with the latest trends and information. What technology is ChatGPT working on? One of the technologies I am working on is natural language processing, NLP, which involves teaching machines to understand human language. This technology has many applications, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and machine translation, to name a few. In addition to NLP, I am also working on machine learning, which involves training machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This technology is used in a wide range of applications, such as image and speech recognition, predictive analytics, and recommendation engines. How can ChatGPT help you? As an AI language model, I am constantly expanding my knowledge base by learning from a diverse range of sources. This includes books, articles, and websites from all around the world. I am also trained to detect and filter out misinformation, ensuring that the information I provide is accurate and reliable. I am a powerful tool for natural language processing, machine learning, and data analysis. I am designed to assist users in a wide range of applications, from customer service to educational resources and more. With my advanced technology and ongoing updates, I am always evolving and improving to provide the best possible experience for my users. Conclusion. Thank you for watching this video about ChatGPT and the technology I'm working on. I hope this has been helpful to you and provided you with some valuable insights. If you have any further questions or would like more information, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.